over. In summer's heat, the sun was high, the ground was dry, no cloud in sky. A little crow with wings so black flew near a tree, then circled back. My throat is dry, I need to drink. I cannot fly, I cannot think. He searched the woods, the dusty ground, and then a pot at last he found. He peeked inside, the water low. Oh dear, he sighed, it's far below. He flapped his wings, then looked around and saw some pebbles on the ground. One pebble, two, he dropped them in. With every stone the pot would grin. The water rose up nice and high, enough to reach his beak and try. The crow felt cheer, he flapped his wings and gave a cheer. Where there's a will, there is a way. Smart thinking saves the day. So when you're stuck or feeling slow, remember what we learned from Crow. Don't give up or sit and cry, just use your brain and always try.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share.